welcome back to my channel. My husband at the back, he's coming to blow dry my hair after my video that I was using the onion and the cactus. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy. So guys, I did my cactus on Sunday, cover it for 1 hour, and then I wash it off. And today is Tuesday, and I'm blowing dry my hair with my husband. Cactus have a lot of vitamin C, E, A. It has iron, calcium, and omega-3. It can really make your hair shiny, protect your roots, your scar, and it's beautiful. So guys, my husband is blowing drying my hair. I love my husband from the deep bottom of my heart, so I don't play with my husband. I will let the whole world know that my husband is my king, okay? After Jesus is my husband. I love my husband and he loves me too. So if you have your husband, please appreciate him, okay? Me, I'll appreciate my husband because I love him. He is my heart. He's blowing dry my hair, and then after that, I'm gonna plait my own cornrow to show you guys how to do cornrow as well, because a lot of people ask me, do you do your hair? Yeah, sometimes I can plait my hair. Because my husband is the reason why my hair has grown. My husband is the reason why I have grown a lot of hair, okay? My husband gives me a lot of advice. He gives me the advice to do DIY and also cover my hair, make sure my hair is not opened, braid your hair. If you can't do cornrow, just do it single plait with your own hair. You know, my husband always give me encouragement of my hair, and I've achieved it. So I love my husband, and I say thank you, baby. May God bless you. May God continue to increase your love for me and your children. Guys, so let me leave you guys and watch how my husband blow dry my hair. You can see a little bit of funny things going on me and my husband. Sometimes, ouch, it hurts. So I have to talk, hold it, do it myself. It's part of how women roll. So yeah, that's it. So I will just leave you guys to watch it, and please don't forget to put your comments down. You need to try the cactus. Try it and please leave your comment down. If you have any idea of what you want me to do, please put it down at comment below and I'll come out and show you guys. More video is coming soon. All right, may God bless you guys. Let me leave you guys to the video. Love you, baby. it's not like that. The way you hold it, it's not like that. No, like this. Thank you.
Like this?
Yes.
Hey.
Hold under my hair. Yeah, well done, my husband. He has finally finished my hair. He has finally finished blowing my hair nicely and smooth. I love it. Thank you for doing my hair. Look at that. Wow. I didn't know my husband can blow dry my hair like that. Thanks, baby. What do you guys think? Did he do a good job? Please put your comments down and let me know if he did a good job. I know he did. Yeah, so this is my cornrow. I already start one, so just check it out. Let me tell you guys about olive oil. Olive oil, do you know olive oil can grow hair? Olive oil is very, very good. Yeah, it can grow your hair. It can make your hair straighten very nice. Yes, it can increase your hair growth. So anytime I do my DIY oils, I always put olive oil in my oils, my hot oils. That video is coming soon as well. Sorry guys, I'm working. I've been very busy, so I don't upload DIY videos a lot, but this time I'm gonna do a lot. Okay, so to help you guys, anyone who want to grow hair, natural hair, or his natural hair. So yeah, I'm going ahead to plait the cornrow. Please stay tuned to the end of the cornrow. Thank you. Thank you all for watching. Let me show you guys my back. So I finished my cornrow. Thanks everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. I'm going to do the hot oil for you guys to see how I combine all my hot oil together for my hair. So my cornrow is done. Please subscribe. I'm new. I need your support. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless you.